Who were the Stoics? This question invites us to explore a philosophical school that has shaped the intellectual and ethical landscape of the Western world for over 2 millennia. Stoicism, founded by Zeno of Citium in Athens around 300 B.C.E., is not merely a historical curiosity, but a living philosophy that continues to resonate today. The Stoics were thinkers who believed in the pursuit of virtue as the path to true happiness. Influenced by Socrates and the Cynics, they engaged in philosophical debates with other schools like the skeptics, academics, and Epicureans. They recognized the existence of indifferents, such as health, wealth, and education, which could be preferred or dispreferred but were not essential to a virtuous life. This nuanced approach allowed them to navigate between the extremes of other philosophical views. The Stoics were also teachers and practitioners who evolved their philosophy through 3 major phases. The early Stoa was marked by the foundational teachings of Zeno, Cleanthes, and Chrysippus. During the Middle Stoa, Stoicism spread to Rome, where it began to influence political thought. The Roman Imperial period saw Stoicism flourish with figures like Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius, reflecting the complex relationship between Stoicism and politics. The Stoics were influencers whose ethical teachings found resonance with early Christian thinkers and Renaissance scholars. Their emphasis on moral integrity, self-control, and rationality has left a lasting impact on Western ethical thought. The Stoics were also timeless thinkers whose ideas have found new life in the modern world. The early 21st century has seen a resurgence of Stoicism, particularly in association with cognitive behavioral therapy. The Stoic practice of self-reflection and control over emotions has found application in modern therapeutic techniques. In answering the question, who were the Stoics, we discover a rich and multifaceted philosophy. The Stoics were philosophers, teachers, influencers, and timeless thinkers who have left an indelible mark on human thought. Their teachings invite us to reflect on our values and our pursuit of virtue, offering timeless principles that guide us in our modern lives. In conclusion, the Stoics were not merely historical figures, but intellectual giants whose ideas continue to inspire and challenge us. As we navigate the complexities of our world, the wisdom of the Stoics serves as a guiding light, reminding us of the enduring power of virtue and the potential for a fulfilled and meaningful life.